Alright guys, Alex Master Garage here, 2015 Cadillac CTS 2.0 turbo. Check engine light was on. So the coolant temperature sensor, and the customer was complaining about the AC. On this vehicle, if you have a faulty on that coolant temperature sensor, it will shut down the AC, so it has to be replaced. In order to do that, you have to take that Viper blade motor and arm and everything out. As you see, there is another place, another part over there. That metal shield, it goes all the way over here, so you have to pry it to be able to take it out. As soon as you take it out, then you have to remove that vacuum pump, which has got 3 screws on it, and the quick connector of the vacuum hose here. Just be careful not to break it, as you see right there. And there is 3 bolts. Use the 10mm socket, one here, one down there, and one the other one. And this is the coolant temperature sensor right here. There is a pin, you can push it all the way back, disconnect the wire. You see the wire, this is the wire, 2-pin connector, and push it out. Replace that, reset the code, start the car, the AC will come out, the check engine light will go off. You're gonna have the AC, and the temperature gauge will start working. Thank you guys for watching. That was a quick guide how to replace the coolant temperature sensor on 2015 Cadillac CTS 2.0 turbo. Thank you guys, God bless.